Hey, Ali Dawa. I hear that you are a Muslim apologist at the park. Are you a Muslim apologist, Ali Dawa? This one. I'm trying to understand why people are giving this away. Ali, are you trying to walk away right now? Ali, are you a defender?
How you doing?
Are you a defender of Islam?
Why are you doing this? It's not
One
halal.
individual. Why is that so scary?
Ali Dawa, is that because Islam is so defenseless that you can't stand?
Why are you running?
Another line of Islam running for his life.
Running
There
away.
must be lion hunters out here, man.
Defend it. You have 1 million.
Ali, so what's going on? So can I please suggest something? Can we please have a friendly conversation, Ali? So
Ali, does the Quran confirm the Bible?
You're following Islam. Look how they run.
Ali Dawa, can we
How can you follow this?
please, Ali, please, Ali, please.
Why are you
The
running?
world is looking
I
at
want
you,
to know
Ali.
the hack. I'm going to become Muslim today, inshallah. Show me from Bible, Quran, show me.
So Ali, please. So let's have a relaxed conversation, Ali, please.
Show me
Look,
Muhammad bin Bible, brother.
the Muslims are being extremely ashamed right now, Ali. Would you like to have a conversation, Ali? I'd like to have a friendly conversation on the reliability of how Islam began versus how Christianity began. Would you like to have that conversation?
Come, let's
I know. No Muslim wants to talk. I'm just trying to find out. Ali, would you like to have a conversation at some stage?
Ali,
If-
I want
if-
to talk to you, brother.
If
I
you
want to talk to the lions. There's too much people in here, not in hack.
if you are too scared,
Siraj, man.
if you are too scared to have a conversation right now, can we at least do an online conversation? What do you think?
You only find people who are scared to have their belief.
Ali,
running.
so Ali, please. The quick escape. There we go. The Muslim helping. That's good. Ali has escaped. That's good.
And these people should not come to Speaker's Corner. You're a public figure. You should have
Ali, why did you come to Speaker's Corner?
Speaker's Corner.
Any reason why you came to Speaker's Corner, Ali Dawa? Why did you come to Speaker's Corner? I saw you go to a synagogue of some sort and cause a scene before the synagogue because someone from IDF wanted to have a presentation there. Why are you running away today? You can stand and scare Jews in their worship places. Why do you want to run away from people at Speaker's Corner?
That's why I love the running. Love the running.
Hey, Ali.
Why are you always running?
Ali, I'm not as fit as you. Ali Dawa, please. Look.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Is this some sort of a marathon? How many laps do we have to do before you settle down to say that you can't have a conversation?
Come on, let's do, brother. I want to have a conversation. How long we don't have conversation, brother? I miss you.
Lovely. Oh, sorry.
I miss you, brother.
Ali, I can see you smile, Ali. When would you like to have a conversation? Historicity of the origin of Islam versus the origin of Christianity. When would you like to have a conversation?
Leave them alone, bro.
Yes,
Yeah,
I'm
fans.
big fan. I want to hear
Yeah.
Quran.
The fan. My only problem is
Quran to me. I want to know who sent down Quran.
Because of the hurt.
my
I want to know who sent down Quran.
okay. The bodyguards have arrived. The bodyguards have arrived.
Tell me why the Bible is corrupt, Ali. Come on.
Oh, you take a picture with him.
Yeah, please. Please, Ali. I thought you were an Islamic apologist. I didn't realize you were a marathon runner. I didn't realize you were a marathon walker. Ali, are you an Islamic apologist of some sort?
Jannah right now. I'll invite you to Jannah.
Are you an Islamic apologist of some sort?
I want 72 women. Can I get 72?
So clearly Ali Dawa is clueless too.
You're desperate.
There we go. So Mansoor is clueless. Hashim is clueless. Hamza is hibernating despite the fact that he is a lion. Maybe he forgot the fact that he is a lion. He shouldn't be hibernating. The lion sleeps at work. Now, if he had slept in his den, wouldn't have been a problem. But sleeping at Speaker's Corner when his followers are giving him, maybe I don't know how many £1,000 his followers give him, and yet he comes here to sleep.
Yes, he comes in to sleep.
And now Ali Dawa mentioned that I'm his fan. I'd like to actually say this. I really thought Ali Dawa was a Muslim apologist. But today I find out that he's not a Muslim apologist, he's rather a marathon walker.
Yes.
So he might still be walking. He might still be walking, covering many more laps. So maybe give them a little bit of rest and try again sometime
Ali
later.
Dawa will be walking for the next 5 hours. Come and join him. Anybody who's live, come and join Ali Dawa on his marathon.
Islam has struck panic in his heart. The unhistoricity of Islam has struck panic in his heart that he will have sort of a high blood pressure for the next 4 or 5 hours, trying to see when the Christians are going to return to him again. This is very unfortunate. This is a very poor show, but at some stage, through God's grace, there might be some Muslim who might be willing to defend the history. We can do it both ways, no problem. Historicity of Islam versus historicity of Christianity at the point of origin. We can do both to be fair, so no one has to run away. This is what we had offered. But unfortunately, Islamic apologists at Speaker's Corner clearly are not up for the game.
And a Queenist apology.
Ask yourself, Muslims, if you're watching, why is it your Dai run like the ecumenists do? Because they're of the same spirit, and of course, because they're scared. Arrow's going to single-handedly take out every single Muslim in his park. And he's one short guy, no offense, bro, you are.
Short? One very short guy. Absolutely.
He's going to take out
Yes.
every single Dai in his park.
Yes.
You can watch that.
The fact is, I can be short and get into heaven, but your roaring lions, your Dawa kings are running. Ali, when would you be free, Ali, for a proper conversation, a friendly conversation?
When I die.
When you die, you'll be free to defend Islam. When you die, you'll be free to defend Islam.
Free from you.
Free from me.
Yes.
But how about defending Islam?
I will speak.
When you die, you can speak. Okay, I see. So until then, there is no. Are you a Muslim?
I am a Muslim, yeah.
Yeah. Unfortunately, you guys can't defend Islam. Until they die, apparently they can't defend Islam.
Defend it.
He can't.